Alright, so this is how we start our hikes.
I did it. It's either sideways. Oh wow, you did it fast.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel.
How are we doing today?
I have no idea, we're going on some hike.
Alright, so today we're hiking to Maunawili Falls. It should be a little bit easier than the last hike we went on. She's mad at me now because I keep bringing it up. But yeah, so it should be easy. A nice little stroll through the forest and hopefully jump off the cliff.
Ready to go crazy, Utah?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
Are you jumping off the cliff?
I can do anything.
Except shotgun a beer. Quick update. The humidity has reached 145%. I'm drenched in sweat. Found a rope swing. And yeah, that's about it so far. Hopefully we're almost there because I'm already tired. Alright, go Utah.
Super serious.
Oh no. Oh, he's getting into it.
Stand right here.
Oh, you're sketch. Oh, you're sketch.
You got it? Someone grab him.
What? But I need help. Okay. Okay.
What's that? My life is in the water! Okay. Okay, wait. No.
Oh, she's going again.
Wait. Okay. Okay.
What was that?
Wait, no.
What was that? Oh, shit.
No.
Why? Why is there always going to be stairs involved? Didn't sign up to do Stairway to Heaven this week. Oh man. So I hope you guys enjoyed that hike. We had a pretty good time. That was on Friday. It is now Monday morning and it is 5:45 here at Sandy Beach. About to get in the water for sunrise, so stay tuned to the next video. See the clips from that. Waves are looking pretty clean right now, so hopefully get some good clips. Hopefully sunrise ends up good. See you guys in the next video.